If you're doing VCE Chemistry and you want to get a 40 plus study score, you have to follow this 3-step method to ensure that you're perfectly prepared for all your SACs and your exams. The first step is to properly learn the content. So the school is not going to be teaching it fast enough for you to really get enough SAC preparation time, so you have to learn it ahead of time. The best way is just the textbook. So skim read the content, but the main learning happens when you're doing those exercises, doing the practice questions. Just make sure you actually, all of these little stupid activities that you might think are pointless in the textbook, those are the things that are actually going to enforce your learning. So do that, watch some videos. If you have a Roller, it's a really good resource. Go through all of those videos, go through their practice questions. It's really good. And once you have a basic understanding of the concept, move to step 2. Step 2 is reinforcing the content. That means going through more difficult practice questions. If you can get practice questions from your teachers, that is great. But even if not, go onto ChatGPT, head onto the VCE Chemistry GPT and generate you some questions. Just work through those, keep going, keep going, keep going. There's never enough practice questions. You might get 100 questions right, but then that one question that you get wrong afterwards is going to reinforce your learning, and that might be what you see on the SAC. And the final step is revision. Revision doesn't mean read through the textbook or read through your notes, glance through it, and just forget about it, right? Revision is about seeing what you did wrong. So every time you get a practice question wrong, write it down. And then revision is going through and redoing all of those questions, making sure that the questions you did wrong before, you know how to do now. Because there's no point doing a bunch of practice questions if you get it wrong and then get it wrong again on the exam, right? Well, that might as well be a waste of time. So you need to make sure that you learn the content that you didn't get at the beginning. And that is where you get value from revision, not just blindly reading the textbook. You're wasting your time.